Welcome back to Pete's Workshop. So we're working on my 2014 Volkswagen Touareg. Has an issue with a wheel speed sensor, so it's skitzing out. And this is what it looks like on the dash.
Error, stabilization control, ESC/ABS.
And lots of related errors. Not so good. And this is what it looks like in OBDeleven. So we'll go to control units, brakes, faults, left rear ABS wheel speed sensor, implausible signal. We've got mechanical malfunction, intermittent, and left rear wheel sensor, intermittent. We're going to fit the new sensor and clear the faults out. Unfortunately, you can't get to the sensor very well at all without removing the caliper. So the caliper's in the way. I'm just going to pop that off. Gives me a chance to inspect the brakes as well. But we just got these triple squares. Pop them out and I'll be able to remove the caliper and get really good access to the wheel speed sensor. So just those two bolts out and we can remove the caliper. You can see my pads there. They're getting quite low. They're almost ready to start squealing. But now we can also see down the back here, this is the wheel speed sensor connector. So just got to pull that, looks like a hex bolt out, pull the connector off, and then we should be good to remove the sensor. And you can see it's just a 5mm, not very tight at all. So easy just to pull that out. Then we should be able to give the sensor a wiggle, maybe a spray, and pull it out as well. So this is the offending sensor.
The part number is WHT005651.
Let's have a look at the replacement ones and see if it looks the same. And here is the new one next to the old one. Perfect. I think I bought these literally for about $45 for 4. So interestingly too, they are all exactly the same, front to back, left to right. They're all identical. And I've just given that surface a bit of a wipe out. Try and keep it nice and clean. There we go. And we can put our little bolt back in. That's on. Just didn't hear a nice click, but it has gone on nicely. So we are good to reassemble. Okay, so the sensor's plugged in. We're going to start the car. You can see we're still in jacking mode. And you can see we've still got the ABS light on, but there's no other warning lights there. Let's pull out of the garage and we'll get OBDeleven out. We'll go to control units, brakes, faults. So we've put a new sensor in. Let's clear all of those. And we can go for a test drive. So engine's running, I've done a few kilometers, absolutely no problems at all. Did a little bit of live logging as well. So while it was driving, just took this screen grab. You can see all the wheel speed sensors are the same. Don't ask me why it's in German, but it is. So we're good, we are good. That sensor has fixed the problem. I'll put a link in the description as to which sensors they are and where I got them too. Thanks for watching.